So many times when you insert a CAD drawing into your project, that CAD drawing contains a lot of blocks that are not used. And what those blocks do is basically take up space in your project. So you might want to go through and purge those blocks. So basically you can purge unused blocks. If the block is used in your project, it won't get purged. So if we take a look here under insert block, you'll see that I have a whole bunch of blocks, and you can see there's a bunch of odd named blocks as well. Okay. So if I use the purge blocks command from the drafting tab, you'll see that it puts a checkbox by all the ones that can be purged, and you can see all the ones that cannot be purged are not selectable. So what I can do now is click apply, and that'll clean out all those blocks. Now sometimes there are blocks that are embedded in as parts of other blocks, so you may have to do this a couple times. So if I click apply again, you can see these are the only blocks that I have left in my project, and the reason I cannot purge them is because they're probably being used somewhere within my project.